Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to password protect a Word document but allow read only. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take some paragraphs. Now we want to set password protect but allow read only. Go to the file menu. Then click save as option, choose browse, then select the file destination and rename the file. Then click tools option and go to the general option. Then type password to open. Then again type the password. Then check mark on the read only recommended. Then click OK. Then again type the same password to open. Then type this password last step. Then click OK. Then save the document. Then go back the file menu and close the document. Then go to the file menu and open the read file. Then type password. Then retype the password. Now we can see we open the file and we can see here we read this file but not change. You can apply another process. Go to the file menu and click the protect document option. Then choose resting editing. Then check mark the formatting restriction, check mark the editing restriction and select the everyone. Then yes, start this option. Then type the password. Then you can see here we not editing this document. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.